In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a KA card on your Wise account. First things first, it's important to make sure you're logged into your Wise account. You'll want to be on a device where you feel secure, so preferably use your personal computer, tablet, or smartphone to access your account. Take a moment to ensure that your login credentials are up to date. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Cards on the main dashboard. On this page, you'll see a list of all the cards associated with your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully. It can be helpful to double-check numbers or descriptions to confirm that you have the right card in mind for deletion. Next, select the card you wish to delete. Be absolutely sure that this is the card you intend to remove, as any card deleted will also remove access to its associated features and functions, such as making payments or accessing funds unsecured by the card. No charges or fees exist for card deletion, but being vigilant in your selection can save a lot of headaches down the road. Scroll down within the card details to locate the Delete Card option. This is where you'll be able to remove the card permanently from your list. The platform provides only visual cues, so read carefully any confirmations or advisory messages that warn about the permanency of deletion. Once you click on Delete Card, it's important to understand that this action is irreversible. Wise does not offer an undo button for card deletions because it involves critical financial security and management jurisdictions across multiple territories. At this point, double-check your decision and ensure there will be no future necessity for the card you are about to delete. After verifying your decision and clicking the Delete Card button, Wise will process your request and the card will vanish from your list of active cards. This step may take a few moments, so watch the screen for any final confirmations. And that's how you delete a card from your Wise account. Removing cards can be a straightforward task, but always remember the weight of these actions. Ensure you're not removing a card you might need in a pinch, and consider whether another financial instrument might take its place before permanently taking one out of circulation. With these considerations in mind, you should have no trouble managing your virtual card portfolio within Wise. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.